Good morning, vlog. Good morning. Breakfast.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Bonjour.
We are on our way up Notre-Dame Cathedral. As you can tell, we are going to be tired because there are lots of steps. We are only about a quarter of the way there and we have more to go. So, let's keep adventuring.
We'll see you up there.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Laverne.
Hello.
This is exactly who we came to see. The gargoyle. Look at her. Nah, so cute. Love it. Well, good morning, Bells. We have a backpack like we carried throughout the Disney parks, but this is really, really tight and narrow.
Like I barely fit through. Just
and windy. I'm gonna give you a video when I come around the other side of Nick, so you can see he has to turn to the side. That's something to plan when you're coming here, just so maybe you're cautious about what size bags you bring. So I am on my way up these stairs. They are a little steep, not horrible. We've done steeper. And look what we're gonna find around the corner. Ooh, there it is. The bells of Notre-Dame. Well, in that case, the singular. And here's the other, bells, the plural. Let's take a look over here, around the corner. Beautiful. I am out of breath. We are going up the tippy top to Notre-Dame. And there's Nick taking a photo. He's also out of breath and tired. Well, I'm out of breath. I think we're almost here. At last I see the light. Okay, we're here.
Gargoyles are really all about. Well, gargoyle comes from the French word gargouille, which means throat. They have a hot air balloon over there.
From atop Notre-Dame Cathedral, like and subscribe.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.